So in the further editing part of the dimension, see for example, you want to break the dimension chain. For example, this 0.75 will be the last dimension in my left side chain. This 0.63, I would like to delete this much portion so that my 5.04 that becomes another dimension. So right now, starting from 1.73 till 5.04, it's a single dimension chain, which I'm now going to break or split, you can say. So what you have to do is you just have to click below the text over here with a check mark. You will see the entire text was highlighted, and because highlighted in the sense solid nodes you can see are around that particular text, and you just hit the delete key from the keyboard. You will realize now the dimension is now splitted, that this is a separate one and this is separate one. Fine. So it's very simple task. Now if in case you won't like to split this again, of course last time I told you that hold the control key, select the dimension line, hold the control key and click on the required location to split that. Another method is you can just click here anywhere with the Mercedes cursor on the dimension line. In the pet palette, you can say check out the kind of options you are getting, that is move, rotate, mirror, multiply, etc. And the special options are insert merged dimension point, or you can have align dimension line, or you can edit the length of witness line. So these are the options which you can try. Out of that, I'll just try one option, that is insert merge dimension point, and you can check out. If you read the prompt, it is written click an element to dimension it or another dimension line to merge it. Okay, so in that case, I'll just try to stay here and I'll click. You can see how the splitting. But this is somehow a little bit long cut via this pet palette. Instead of that, you just hold the control key and click. That is much easier. Okay, now how to see that, okay, if I want to join these two, how we can do that. For that, before that, I'm just going to do one more editing, that if I click with the Mercedes cursor again on this particular dimension line, and if I use the move option, that is the drag, so overall I'm going to drag the dimension line. I'm just going to slightly fine tune it for its location. So maybe I'm just pulling that nearer to my objects. And now you realize that this particular dimension line and this dimension line, they are not at the same location in the floor plan. There's a difference. And if you say that, okay, I would like to merge this also, that is the remaining part of this dimension line which is splitted. Now I want to actually merge that, and I would like to keep them in the simple in a, what you can say, in the same alignment, or the location wise they should be at the same level. So what do you have to do? Again, the same story, that you just first of all select the required dimension, which becomes a parent dimension, which you would like to keep as it is, and something which you want to merge. Hold the control key and with the Mercedes cursor, click on the dimension line. I am not clicking anywhere with the control key with the check mark. Be careful. I am clicking with the Mercedes cursor on the dimension line. Moment I click, you will see that the dimension which you have clicked was merged along with joining that gap in between, and then this becomes my new dimension chain. So try this also. This is also very interesting feature in ArchiCAD for editing the dimensions.